What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. For the ones that don't know me, my name is Salvador Duarte and I'm the owner of LMA Premium Detail, located in Tulsa, Oklahoma. We are a mobile detail based company and we serve Tulsa and surrounding areas such as Broken Arrow, Jenks, Bixby, and many other cities. We focus on ceramic coatings, paint corrections, auto detailing, engine bay washing, headlight restoration, waxing, polishing, and many other services. The owner of this vehicle that you guys are watching here called me because he wanted this vehicle detailed because he was actually selling the vehicle, and so he really wanted this vehicle to just be showroom ready. And of course, my main focus is always customer satisfaction and top quality. So as always, I took my time and I was diligent doing my job. And needless to say, after I completed the vehicle, the customer was so happy he actually gave me a very hefty tip. And so I guess I could say that was a really good day. So go ahead and guys, stick around, keep watching the video. I hope you guys enjoy it. And as always, go ahead and give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.